Today we are going to make aloo matar in gravy vegetable, and we'll need these ingredients. 3 tablespoons of oil. We have taken 500 grams of peas and shelled them. 2 potatoes chopped medium sized and kept under water to prevent them blackening. 500 ml of water for the gravy. 2 onions and 1 whole garlic bulb pureed. 3 tomatoes pureed. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. 2 teaspoons of hara, dhania or cilantro, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Keep the pressure cooker on high heat, add oil and let the oil get hot. Once the oil is hot, we'll add in the onion and the garlic puree. We'll stir roast the onions till they turn a light pink color. The onions are done. We'll add in the ginger paste now, and we'll stir roast the ginger for about 1 to 2 minutes. The ginger paste is done. We'll add in the tomato puree, and we'll stir the tomato purees a few times and add in the spices. That's the salt, the garam masala, coriander powder, haldi powder, and the red chilli powder, and we'll stir this. We'll reduce the gas to medium now. So the gas is on medium now, and we'll add in the green peas now, and we'll stir cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes. We will also add in the chopped potatoes, and now we'll keep it continuously stirred so that it gets roasted evenly, and the gas is on medium, remember. So just about 5 to 6 minutes of roasting, and then we'll add the water. The peas are roasted. We'll add in the water, 500 ml. You can add less or more depending on how thick or thin a gravy you wish to have. Stir it well, and we'll close the cooker and allow the cooker to come to the first whistle. At the whistle, we'll put off the gas and then allow the pressure rather, to ease down before we open the cooker. We kept the gas on medium, not on high. And now there's the whistle going off. We'll put off the gas and let the pressure subside before we open the cooker. So the pressure has gone down. We'll open the cooker and check the peas. They are soft. So the potatoes too have turned soft. Now we'll put on the gas on high. Our vegetable as such is done. We'll just check the salt and add if needed. The salt seems to be okay. So we'll put off the gas now and transfer this to a serving bowl. So here is our dish of the day, aloo matar. We'll garnish it with some chopped cilantro. So do try this. It's very easy to prepare and very delicious. You can have it with rice, or you can have it with roti or paratha. So do try it and give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.